In this video, I will show you how to create a ticket web form in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now on the top part of your screen, click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, look under the Channels section and click on Web Forms. On the left menu, select Advanced Web Form. Then on the main board, click on Create Advanced Web Form. A pop-up window will appear showing a list of fields. You can simply click and drag the fields you want to include into your form, such as name, email, subject, or description. Arrange them in the order that you prefer to match your support workflow. Once you've added all the fields you need, click on Next. Under Form Details, enter all the important information such as your domain name, form name, return URL, and assign owner. When you're done, click Save. Zoho Desk will now generate a piece of HTML code for your web form. You can copy and embed this code into your website, allowing customers to submit tickets directly from your site. And that's how to create a ticket web form in Zoho Desk.